Seattle Area Pipe Trades Training Center offers a variety of HVAC and refrigeration training opportunities. In today's competitive HVAC and refrigeration service environment, it is more crucial than ever that technicians can work safe, fast, and efficiently.
We provide our apprentices with hands-on experience that is unmatched anywhere on the West Coast. Students will have the opportunity to completely disassemble and reassemble heat pumps, VRF systems, packaged rooftop equipment, and natural gas and electric furnaces. Seattle Area Pipe Trades Electrical Training Lab provides state-of-the-art electrical training. Students can build, assemble, troubleshoot, and diagnose functioning electrical circuits.
Our licensed electrical instructors teach our apprentices the importance of electrical theory and safety throughout their entire 5-year apprenticeship. Technicians gain confidence and proficiency in a controlled learning environment prior to applying these skills in the field. Students receive the latest training in refrigerant recovery and environmental regulations. Our apprentices have the benefit of learning from subject matter experts that are current field technicians and leaders who guest teach in classes to help build our industry.
Our rooftop training environment provides a unique opportunity for the technicians to hone their skills in a real-world application. Please visit us at our website or call our main office to schedule a time to tour our facility.